Welcome to Part 2 of Unifi on Raspberry Pi 4. Well, everything would have worked a minute ago, except that O was a capital O. So hard to tell when you're looking at command line instructions. So, we got our trusted keys in there, and everything should be good now. So, we made changes, so let's do another sudo apt-get update. This will update our repositories. Notice here it says Git on 4 Ubiquiti packages. So it grabbed Ubiquiti packages this time. So I think we're going to be good to go. So now we can do our install of Unifi. And away it goes. So it's installing the Unifi controller. Pretty soon we're going to have a functional controller. We'll log into the web interface and we'll have to adopt our two APs that were previously running on the old controller, and we'll have to force the adoption. This will be a little bit rougher as far as time goes, but it'll still do the trick. So we'll just wait this out. And it's done. That took about 4 minutes, so be prepared if you're doing it. Okay. All right, we're back to controlling. Now we're actually in the web interface itself. Here's the web address for this one, and we're going to name the Unifi network. This is the controller name, and I'm going to call it Unifi Pi. Okay, I've logged into my Ubiquiti account, and we're going to just follow the prompts. And now we're at the devices setup, and it says I have no devices. So I'm going to go next. We're going to have to force. Now we're into the controller. And this is your dashboard. And your all your different settings that you can do. There's quite a bit that we can set up and do in this controller, and I really like it. Probably a better time to do more details will be later on, and maybe talk about some of these more advanced features. But for now, the Wi-Fi controller is set up. It's running on the Raspberry Pi, and everything's good in life again. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to do some more technical videos on and off, and I'd sure appreciate it if you give some comments too. And hey, it's not the best. I'm still learning, but I'm having fun at it, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Well, the topology is now complete. As you can see now, got 9 clients connected right now. Average 96-97% Wi-Fi experience. It's been up 5 days. This new one, the U6, is capable of Wi-Fi 6, and even though it was considered a light, it has as much antenna power as this AC Pro. So, all in all, I'm pretty happy with the setup. Still running on the Raspberry Pi, and it will for many years, I'm sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is how you set up a Unifi wireless controller on a Raspberry Pi 4. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.